How to unblock on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unblock someone on Reddit. For that, open any browser on your device and in the search bar, type reddit.com, then press enter to browse it, and make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach this interface. Now, to find the blocked accounts, you will have to go to your profile page. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from the drop-down menu, click on the Settings option. After clicking on Settings, you will be taken to the Settings area where you will find various settings options categorized under different headings. Here, from these options, select Safety and Privacy, and under it, you will find the people that you have blocked. Previously blocked people can't send you chat requests or private messages. Here, this person has been blocked from my account. Now, to unblock them or remove them from the block list, you just simply have to click on this remove option right here, and it will get removed. So, this person has been unblocked now. In this way, you can unblock someone on Reddit. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.